In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom reports and dashboards in Monday.com so you can track your projects, sales, team workload, and key metrics all in one powerful view. Whether you're managing a small team or running multiple departments, dashboards in Monday.com give you real-time insights without digging through individual boards. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to open Dashboards. On the left-hand sidebar inside Monday.com, click on Dashboards. Once you're there, click on the plus button that says New Dashboard. You'll be prompted to name your dashboard, so choose something clear and specific, like Sales Overview, Project Tracking, or Team Performance Report. After naming it, click Create. Next, you'll need to choose the connected boards. This step is important because dashboards pull live data from your boards. Select the boards you want to report on. For example, you might choose your projects board, your sales pipeline board, or your tasks board. You can connect multiple boards if you want to combine data into one high-level report. Once selected, confirm to move forward. Now comes the powerful part, adding dashboard widgets. Click on Add Widget, and you'll see a wide range of reporting options. The Numbers widget is great for showing totals and key metrics, like total revenue, completed tasks, or deals closed. The Chart widget allows you to create pie charts, bar charts, or line charts to visualize trends and distributions. The Table widget lets you display filtered board data in a clean list format, which is perfect for status tracking. If you're managing timelines, you can use the Timeline or Gantt widget to track project schedules visually. And if you're managing people, the Workload widget helps you monitor team capacity and avoid burnout. Choose the widgets that match the type of report you want to build. Once you add a widget, you'll need to customize it. Click into the widget settings and select which board it should pull data from. Then choose the specific columns to report on. For example, you might select the Status column to track progress, the Date column for timelines, or the Numbers column for revenue totals. After that, apply filters to narrow down the data. For instance, you can filter to only show tasks that are marked in progress or deals that are closed won. This ensures your report shows only relevant information. Finally, rename the widget to something clear so anyone viewing the dashboard immediately understands what it represents. After customizing your widgets, it's time to arrange your dashboard. You can drag and resize each widget to create a layout that makes sense. A good practice is to group related metrics together. For example, place all sales KPIs at the top, team performance metrics in one section, and project timelines in another. Think of your dashboard like a story. It should guide the viewer through the most important information first. Resize charts to make key data stand out, and keep supporting data slightly smaller. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom report and dashboard in Monday.com. The best part is that dashboards update automatically as your boards change, giving you real-time visibility without manual reporting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.